Customizing your Calendly booking page enhances the user experience and reflects your brand. Here's how to do it. Log into Calendly. Start by logging into your Calendly account. Access event types. From the dashboard, navigate to the event types section. Choose the event type you wish to customize or create a new one by clicking plus new event type. Edit event details. Click on the event type to access its settings. Here, you can modify the event name, description, duration, and location. Make sure the information is clear and inviting. Customize appearance. Go to the branding section. Here, you can add your logo, choose colors that match your brand, and customize the text displayed on your booking page. This helps create a cohesive look. Set up questions. In the invitee questions section, add questions to gather important information from attendees, such as their name, email, and any specific questions you want them to answer. Save changes. After making your customizations, click Save and Close to apply the changes. Preview your page. Use the preview option to see how your booking page looks before sharing it.